Alright guys, so as a foodie, you know me I go bring on everywhere with me though. Yes. So this is my first time to a dessert restaurant and let me tell you it was a vibe. As you can see the name already, it's so cool, like a hole in the wall, very private, very intimate if you're into that kind of stuff. Now the menu then give me one tablet and me tell us me flip from now till the morning and we're going to one little cube. Very private with curtain on them, something the red wall, red room. I said, me get one sweet white wine and then rim the glass, make it fancy. It did nice. But this, let me tell you, the waitress know her job. Wanna listen to her.
On this end, we have our all-American girl. It's our Madagascar vanilla bean cheesecake on a sugar cookie crust, almond infused with cream berries and edible glitter to make her sparkle. And then we have Caress My Carrot, standing tall and erect. You have our carrot cake with the vanilla cream cheese frosting, drizzled in honey, so you can do a little sticky, brulee sugar on the side for a sweet crunch. Then Manflower is our layered chocolate style cake tart, chocolate frosting, chocolate ganache, salty caramel drizzle. And last but not least, between my red velvet sheets, our red velvet cheesecake, chocolate frosting, dab of strawberry coulis on the side. Enjoy!
Thank you.
My pleasure.
But overall, my favorite from the cake was the cheesecake and the carrot cake. Now this vanilla bean ice cream, I love it so much. So delicious, sweet and creamy. See the cheesecake there? Nice. Nice vibe. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend Date Night Vibes.